find investments on Charles Stanley Direct, simply log into your account and click Search Investments on the top line navigation. Searching under All will bring up everything we offer, but you can also browse specifically by shares or by funds. You'll then see a page with all your matches. To get more detail on the security that you're interested in, you can click Info under Actions to the right. Alternatively, clicking on Buy will bring you straight to the trading page where you can place your order. It's important to note before you start that you need to have a sufficient cash balance in your account to cover the full cost of your order. If you need help with this, please listen back to our previous video, Paying Money into Your Account. Let's say you select Info. You will then be taken to a page where you can see the price of the security with further detail below, like charts. From here, you can also navigate to the Buy page, where you can place your order. With shares, you can choose either to buy a specific number or invest an amount. You can also buy as a market order, which means at the current price, or buy as a limit order. You can only buy as a market order during market hours from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m, but you can place a limit order at any time. Let's say the share price is 102. This means £1.02. If you don't want to pay any more than £1 a share, you can put in a limit of 100. You need to do this in pence, not pounds. Then, if the price falls to this level during the trading day, your order should go through. Otherwise, it will be cancelled at 4:30 p.m. that day, but you can place another limit order if you wish the following day. I'm using £1,000 in this example. Download, read and confirm you've read the Key Investor Information document and Illustration of Charges document and enter your account password and click Proceed to Confirmation. Whichever way you wish to trade, market or limit order, you then need to confirm your order on the following page by clicking Place this order now. If your trade has been successful, you will receive a confirmation on the next page, and you will also be sent an email to let you know that a contract note is available for you to view within your account. If you're trading funds on Charles Stanley Direct, log in and go to Search Investments and choose Funds. Select the relevant fund and choose Buy. You need to input the cash value that you wish to invest. Download, read, and confirm you've read the Key Investor Information document and Illustration of Charges document, and enter your account password to be taken to the order confirmation page. Here, you can confirm your order by clicking Place this order now. Fund orders will trade at the next available pricing point, so usually it will take 2 or 3 working days for your contract note to be made available when you are trading a fund. Once you place a fund order, you can't usually cancel it. However, if you have placed a limit order on shares, you can cancel it as long as it hasn't yet been dealt. I'll show you how. Just go to your My Accounts page. Under the View Transactions tile, you'll see a link to the order list. On this page, you'll see a list of any pending orders. To cancel, click the Cancel button under the Actions heading to the right. Then confirm the cancellation by clicking I wish to cancel this order, proceed. And that's it.